Welcome staff and students to a tutorial on logging into D2L. Access the Lakeland College website and select D2L on the top. Our sign-in options have two different logins. The blue is for all our EDU accounts. Those are the majority of our students enrolled in face-to-face and online courses. The green login button is for staff, faculty, and some students, such as our apprentices, dual credit, continuing ed, or pesticide students. Ready to log in? Let's go through the process. First, I'll walk you through signing in to your EDU account. Remember, your username is going to be your first name dot last name at edu.lakelandcollege.ca. Your initial password will be LLC in caps, followed by the exclamation point, followed by the last four digits of your student ID number. If you've signed into your EDU account already or accessed a college computer this academic year and changed that password, that's the password that you're going to need to use. So let's go sign in. Once on this page, you will have to use your student EDU email to sign in. Again, your username will be your first name dot last name at edu.lakelandcollege.ca. Once you put in your information, please select Next. Enter in your password. Again, if you have already logged into the college system anywhere on campus, then you're going to use that password in this area here. If you have not, then you can use the initial temporary password assigned to you, which again was the LLC in caps, followed by the exclamation point, followed by the last four digits of your student ID number. Once you've entered your password, you will be prompted to change that password on the D2L page. You can enter in a new password, and then when you are ready, select Save. Once you go through, now you will be logged in to the D2L environment. Take a look around. We also recommend that you go into the account settings and update the email address. Most of the instructors here at Lakeland College will want you to use your EDU email address. So if you have a copy of your emails currently going into your personal email, such as your Gmail or Hotmail, we recommend that you change and update this information to reflect your EDU email address. Now let's go through the green login. Remember, this is for staff, faculty, some of our students, such as apprentices, dual credit, continuing ed, or pesticides. So let's log in if you're one of those students. Select the icon, and you will be on this login page. Follow the information of first name dot last name, followed by your day of birth. Here's the example. Fred Flintstone was born on the fourth day. So his username will be fred.flintstone04. Your day must have two digits. So if Fred was born on the 15th, he would have 1-5 here. Returning students, you can use the same password as last year. And these students, if you are in this group of dual credit, continuing ed, and pesticides, and you need password assistance, you can contact the D2L support desk instead of IT for password assistance.